Hey everyone, this is Sadia Bobere and you're watching Adrenaline in My Mind. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite Hunan fish recipe. We begin with adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Then you want to crack open 1 egg so that we can combine it up and make a paste. You can always adjust the consistency by adding more or less flour. I'm gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons of water to help the ingredients combine well. I've added 2 tablespoons more of corn flour to adjust the consistency. Then goes in some more water. And now it looks perfect. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This is going to be our marinade. Mix it well. Then add your fish pieces, or the fish cubes are preferred more. You don't want to add in all the pieces at once as it won't let all the fish to get coated. Make sure all the sides of the fish cube are covered with the marinade. You'll have to repeat this step with all the other fish slices. Tuck it into the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now let's fry the fish. Heat up some oil. If your pan gets too hot like mine, just turn off the flame. Uncover the fish pieces and put it into the oil. Make sure there's enough marinade on the fish before frying. Let it cook slowly for about 7 to 10 minutes. Flip it over to the other side. Once it is golden, let's get it out of the pan. Make sure to not overcook the fish as it'll only make it hard. Looks crispy. I fried the second batch of fish as well, and look how delicious it already looks. Let's prepare our gravy by adding some sliced garlic. We'll saute it for a while until it looks golden. Always keep your flame on low as you don't want to burn the garlic. Next goes in the diced onions. Then we're gonna add the remaining capsicum. Cooking the vegetables together adds to the flavor of our gravy. It's time to add some chili sauce, vinegar, and some dark soy sauce. You can always vary the quantity. I'd suggest 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So I'm adding some more over here. In the gravy, I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1/4 cup of water. You have to mix it well and then add to the pan. Sprinkle some black pepper as well as some white pepper if you like. The sauce is all done, so now we're adding 1/2 cup of water. You can always vary the quantity of water and sauces as needed. Leave it on slow flame to cook for a bit. Once it comes to a boil, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and And then goes in the main ingredient, which is the sugar. Now the gravy is thick and cooked. It's time to add the fried fish. Cover all the pieces with the gravy and let it cook for a minute. Look at that. Just out of the pan and ready to serve. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I'm gonna see you next week. Until then, take care.